So if I hang my cursor over here, measurement 728, if I right click and I go to delete, I've deleted it. But I've actually got a little deleted items folder here at the bottom. So it's kind of like email. If you only delete once, it's still really within NoiseTools. So if I just click onto here, this is the deleted measurement folder, and I can just restore. If I've accidentally deleted one that I didn't mean to, I want to keep it, just click on that, press restore, and it will go back into your filing cabinet. But you can, of course, click on the button that says delete all measurements, and then all the measurements within that deleted folder will disappear. One other thing that I'd like to show you guys, so this is how you can share data with people. You can, of course, produce reports, turn them into PDFs, turn them into that lovely little combined report that we looked at, attach it to an email and send it to anybody, and that's all lovely. But you may need to share data with a colleague, or you may need to share data with a third party. So if this is environmental, you may wish to share data with the company that you've monitored from a construction site, say this isn't good enough and this is why. Or if you've got an employee who's wishing to take you to court for noise-induced hearing loss, you will have engaged a law firm, you may need to send them your data to help them with the case. So how on earth can you do that? Or, in fact, actually, you may need to send some data to us. So if you've got measurements, it's just not quite making sense to you, you're struggling to understand how to do something in NoiseTools. We're always happy to help here at Cirrus, but we find less and less organizations allow us to do Team Viewer, where I can control your computer. One of my new colleagues in IT, we had a tech support from the Air Force Base in the US Air Force Base in the UK, and she asked if she could remote access. And as soon as she started chuckling, she realised what she said. He felt that the US Air Force IT team would be reluctant to allow people to remote access it, which is fair dues. So instead, we had them create an MTP file, which I'm going to show you in a second, and we were able to import that measurement into NoiseTools. And when you do that, it's as though you've downloaded it yourself to NoiseTools. So everything that you can do on your screen, I can do. So I might not be able to control your screen, but you can mimic what I'm doing, or any of my colleagues who are helping you, by sending us a measurement transfer package. So how on earth do you do that? When you go to the word Tools above NoiseTools, go to Export, Measurement Transfer Package. I have 1, 2, 3 measurements open. Pick the one I wish to export. Click Export. Again, desktop, Annoy IT. It will look like this little icon here, export there. You can attach that to an email, send it to anybody who's got email, obviously that would help. And NoiseTools, bearing in mind that anybody can go on our website and download NoiseTools free of charge. And then they will import it and they'll be able to look at the data in the exact same way that you can. Now, because of the world we live in, you need to consider GDPR. So even if you're sending data to me and we are the manufacturer of your equipment and software developer, you may wish to include case reference numbers or people's names. So if you just untick the box here that says include people, places and projects, I won't be able to see anything that you've populated it with. So where you've got company name, your name, or anything like that, I wouldn't be able to see any of that. And if you didn't want me to listen to the audio, you could untick the box that says include audio. And then you would send that MTP file to me. I would click on it. NoiseTools would open up and say, this is a NoiseTools file. Do you want to look at it? I'd say, yes, please. And then all of a sudden it's on my screen as though I downloaded it myself. Cancel that. So that was the sharing of data. The last couple of bits there, databases, measurement transfer packages, and the deletion of measurements.